Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how teachers of AskHow solve drop-up questions. Here is the bunch of questions. One question is selected. Here, student need help on how to find an equation of a line, if 2 points are given. Here teacher can see in large image of question. Teacher is explaining how to solve it step by step. Teacher written the coordinates of given points on whiteboard. First we have to find the slope of line. This is the formula to find the slope of line. Here teacher has plugged the values of given points in above formula. Here, teacher is simplifying the terms. Teacher cancelled common terms from numerator and denominator. So this is the slope of line. Now, we have to use slope-intercept formula. This is the slope-intercept formula. Now we have to plug the values in above formula. Now teacher is simplifying the above equation. Now we have to simplify the bracket. Here teacher cancelled common terms from numerator and denominator. After adding 7 on both sides of equation, we get So this is the equation of line that passes through the given points. Student get this complete answer in PDF format. Here, teacher can write summary about the answer. Teacher uploaded the answer on AskHow platform. Now answer is successfully submitted. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.